Wild Wild West, we be taking it back. We be keeping it raw, just listening to that boom bap. So clean, so fresh, so hip hop. It's been so long, so we tend to forget. Let's take a trip back down memory lane when MC spat without intention of fame. There was no shame and there wasn't a game. When it was like life flowing all up in your veins. When hip hop was used to stimulate the brain. When it was used sometimes for political gain. Was used as a banner of love every single day. Rap so hard without fake gold chains. There was no need for expensive things. Cause the lyrics, the beat, the way that you cut, the way that you dropped down and came back up was the only thing that matters to the changing times that turned me into a desperado. Won't you join me in making that change? Don't be scared, become an outlaw like Osama and stand for change like Obama. Shut up, yeah, not desperado. Desperado. Shut up, Desperado.
The ones, the two strapped on my waist. 12 shots of metal flipping on the 10th pace. Boom, 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 in the moment you're dead. Seems like the lyrics went straight to your head. Desperado, that's the word of the day. The pocket of the rhythm will be coming in your way. The 6 steps turning into air chairs, turning into top rock, turning into air flares. Yo, we're living in the days of the superstars, of the 3G phones and the fancy little cars. Now the OG raps are gone, replaced by the new school sing-alongs living in the haze. Where do we go? Where do we see? What can I do? What can we be? Turn on the TV. Look at the age when the air was raw, when life or death came down the quick draw.
Shut up, yeah, not desperado. Desperado. Shut up, Desperado.
I'm the straw can, a 6 shot. Got a strange love for my gun like Hitchcock. Real inspiration from the world's greatest. Big Pump, Big L and Johnny Blazes. Proud to the OGs from the East Hood. So you know I ain't talking about Clint Eastwood. Talking about those with Desperado styles behind the mic to mesmerize the crowd. When the gun draws like Pharaoh monster, bullets in the chamber each become the taunt. It doesn't matter about the dimensions you fall as your chest is pierced with the rhymes from the song. So I think back to the original gunslingers with the stereo blasting the root bangers. And when I spit and you feel the shower, remember who holds the gun, wields the power.
Shut up, yeah, not desperado. Desperado. Shut up, yeah. Shut up, desperado. Desperado. Shut up, yeah, not desperado. Desperado. Shut up, yeah. Shut up, Desperado. Desperado.